In this short tutorial, I will show you how to permanently remove the CapCut ending from your videos. CapCut adds its own watermark at the end of videos, and many people find it unprofessional, so it's important to know how to remove it for a cleaner finish to your videos. To get started, open up the CapCut app, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Add Default Ending. To remove the CapCut ending from your videos, simply toggle off the switch over here. And then tap Discard to confirm it. Now you've removed the CapCut ending from your videos. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.